Whether you're interested in getting started in flipping furniture and you need a little motivation to get started, or if you've been flipping furniture for a while, in today's video, I'm going to talk a little bit about my journey, why I got started in flipping furniture, how I got started, and the steps I took to get started, because it really is such an easy side hustle. It's fun, it's creative, just such an enjoyable time. I really do like it, and the money that you can make from it, it's all up to you how much work you want to put into your pieces. The sky is the limit on how much you want to make. Get started. I want to thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new to Slate Art Refinishings, welcome. My name is Garrett. I'm 25 years old and I like to flip furniture on my free time. If you found this video helpful, please can you do me a huge favor? Hit the thumbs up button, and if you're interested in subscribing, I have a brand new video coming out every Sunday at 7 p.m. I like to upload tips and tricks, my latest projects, and finds. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, hit the subscribe button, please. So in November of 2021, I was 23 years old at the time and getting ready to move out of my parents' house and go venture off into my very own first apartment. It makes it unbalanced, actually.
It does, actually.
Like, architecturally.
Garrett's moving.
Listen.
I realized that I need some furniture. So what did I do? I hopped on the old trustworthy Facebook Marketplace and found some really cheap pieces of furniture that I could redo at a very low and reasonable cost. And I went out, bought the pieces of furniture, and I guess I sort of realized from looking on YouTube and seeing what kind of things you could do to coffee tables, and I kind of realized that people are doing this sort of thing to make money, and I thought to myself, well, that's interesting. I never even knew this was a thing. So that's how it started. So it all started from a coffee table and a side table set. I got that for $10 to $15. That was my very first flip. And within the next 3 months before I moved out of state, I accumulated so many projects in my parents' garage. Here's all the furniture I have out in the garage. Picked up this bookshelf yesterday for $10. I got this dresser and this dresser for $40 yesterday with Reed. These things are so heavy duty, extremely heavy, really cool pieces. Got this TV stand for $5. I got this entertainment center for free last week. And I got this dresser. It was my friend Michaela's. She was throwing it out. It was at the curb. Went and snagged it. I got this long dresser right here for $10. Waterford. I got this coffee table for free. I got this cabinet. That's mine, not selling. Got it for $5. It says like U.S. Army government on the side of it. It's really cool. And I got this little end table for $5 in Waterford. And then I got this shelf right here for, I got paid $5 for this one. Little one. And then this tan one that's under it. It's way bigger. Got that one for $10 right beside my work. It's my little workshop I got. Got this dresser for $20. I got this table I just painted and this table I just painted. These two for $10. I got this dresser for free with these 3 drawers. Took off the knobs. I'm gonna spray paint them black. I got this end table right here for $6. I got this end table right here for $5. Took out the drawers. I got this cabinet right here for $20. It's a hunk of crap. Metal locker cabinet. Might keep it for myself for a little storage or something. And I just got this jelly cabinet. It's an antique piece. I'm not selling that. My dad was not happy, by the way. And let me tell you, it's very, very easy to consume all of these pieces of furniture with such motivation and high hope. It can get a little bit overwhelming if you collect furniture way too quickly like I did, because I just saw all these good deals on Facebook and I was like, I can't pass this up. I can't pass this one up either. I gotta go get it. And especially if you have the space and you have a truck to go get them. Not that you specifically need a truck, because you can do this with any car. It was just all too easy for me to get all these pieces of furniture all at once. So from November of 2021 to January of 2022, I flipped furniture for about 3 months there, and then I moved out of state into an apartment with no garage or no area to work on furniture. That went straight out the window for pretty much all of 2022. It's now 2023 and I have accumulated a garage again. So I've been back at it since the beginning of this year. I've done quite a few projects. You should definitely go over to my channel and check out all the projects that I've done since starting this journey. And now that I've told you my story, I want to tell you how easy it is to get started in flipping furniture. If you just go on Facebook Marketplace, you can look up coffee table, end table, start with something small, or even a smaller sized dresser. If you get something within the $10 to $20 bracket, you really have nothing to lose. So you got your piece of furniture, you'll need a car to go and pick up this piece of furniture. You don't even need a truck. You will find a way. If you want it bad enough, you'll find a way how to figure out how to transport that piece of furniture back home to your place. The next thing you'll need is some sort of garage space, driveway space, outdoor space, furniture, patio or deck, whatever it is. Find a spot that works for you and stick with it. The next thing you'll need to get started in flipping furniture are paint brushes and paint. I always love to go to Home Depot and Lowe's. They have a mess up paint section. They will create and mix a specific paint for a customer to take home and purchase, and the customer will end up not taking that one home because the shade of the paint is too dark, too light, whatever it may be. So they'll heavily discount those paints and put it in a little section, a little shelf somewhere in their paint area. And like yesterday, I just picked up a quart of paint for $2. You can also get a pint of paint for 50 cents or a gallon for around $8 or $9, I believe. The paint is heavily discounted. I highly, I'm at a loss for words. I highly recommend starting out with doing that. I mean, I still do it. I picked up some paint yesterday. It's awesome. Lowe's and Home Depot, they both also have small brushes that you can pick up, and they have sponge brushes too if you want to stain some pieces as well. Or if you want to buy in bulk, you can go to Amazon or possibly eBay. The next thing you'll need is some sort of sander. This is my Milwaukee cordless battery operated sander. Got it from Amazon last summer for around $200. And this one's done me pretty well so far. The battery life isn't all that great, but I do have 2 batteries, so I do switch on and off between the 2. It does suck up some of the sanding dust if I can manage to put the sandpaper on correctly. This is a pretty nice option. There are quite a few other very much more affordable and cheaper options. Like Home Depot and Lowe's have some. You'll have to read the reviews, check it out. I started out with a Ryobi corded sander, and I didn't have much luck with that one. The Ryobi sander that I bought originally, I used it for maybe 2 or 3 weeks, and it pooped out on me. I returned it. I got another one free of charge, of course, and then the same thing happened. I don't know if it was too cold or just way too much sanding for this Ryobi, or if I just got 2 duds in a row. I'm not really sure. But maybe stay away from Ryobi. That's up to you. You'd have to read the reviews. But that was from late 2021, so maybe they stepped up their game. I'm not entirely sure. Something else you will need is some sort of cleaning solution to clean off your pieces. This is a bottle of Simple Green. You can get it from Amazon, eBay. I think Walmart might even have Simple Green. It's an all-purpose general cleaner. You can use it on wood. You can use it on metal. You can clean a lot of good stuff, and it kind of smells good. It's got like a minty, fresh scent to it. So yeah, this is Simple Green. It doesn't have to be Simple Green. You can pick up something else that's good for wood furniture, metal. Just get yourself some sort of cleaning solution. So there you have it. Those are some things that you'll need to get started in flipping furniture, and that is my story on how I got started. Well, from the beginning of the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you found value in the video, subscribe please and give the video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. A lot of time and effort goes into making these videos, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and hopefully catch you in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.